Hello, this is Christy with Jenesis Software. If you're doing a conversion from Genesis Classic to Genesis Now, it's important that your policy types match up prior to the final conversion. We have created a tool to make this so much easier for you, and I'm going to show you how to use it. You'll find it located under Utilities. You're going to have personal lines and commercial lines. It's going to work the same for both. We're going to start today with personal lines. When you're in your personal lines, it's going to pull up a list of all of the policy types that you currently have in your system. Now, you may have a lot in there, and that's okay. If it's matched up already, you just want to verify that those are correct. We're going to come up here and match up the ones that are not already matched up. So a dwelling and fire would go under homeowners. This one here, someone's put in, so I would need to look at those and see exactly what type they are and manually fix those. This one, I'm not sure what that is either, so I would have to manually look at it. Not sure about that one either. This one, I'm assuming, is an inland marine under commercial. So I would come here and I would find my inland marine. So I would choose that one. This one has blank, so we're going to research that and figure out what those are. This is a package policy under personal package. A renter's policy is also considered a homeowner's. Travel trailer in here. Antique auto would go under a personal auto. Umbrella you will find in there under umbrella and excess liability. So you see how easy this is. You'll just go in and choose what it is. Once you're finished, you'll hit update and close. Now, the best way to find out what those other things were is to go to your reports and production. You can go to your production report by policy type, choose all under your date range, and then view. First thing I'm going to notice here is that there's one that doesn't have a policy type, so I would want to go to that one and assign it a policy type. So now let's take a look at the commercial lines. You're going to come in here and you're just going to match these up the same as you did your personal lines. Inland marine would be your commercial inland marine, and then you will update and close. Now for the commercial line side of it, if you would like to fix the ones that you could not find, you can come back in to your reports, go to your commercial lines, and production report by policy type. When you view that report, you're going to notice what is missing very easily, or anything that you could not find like your do not use. You would want to go to that and give it something, okay? But let's go to one of these that's missing. So I'm going to click on the first one here. And then the little trick for this is be looking right here. So you notice there's 11 terms to this. So I'm just going to keep backing up until I see that umbrella is not in there, which this one is empty. So I'm going to put my umbrella there. Oop, has commercial umbrella. And then I'm going to keep backing it up and I'm going to choose it each time. So you're going to do that for every term until you make sure that every term has the policy type in it. You don't want any blank policy types remaining. And then you'll close it. Yes, and I view it again. So if I were to go back to that report again and look here, now I have 9 umbrella policies that are not matched up. So now I can go ahead and easily match those. So now those are all matched up with the rest of them. Now that you know how to use the tool, you'll want to go ahead and use it now before we grab a copy of your data. You'll also want to use it again before we grab your final copy just in case someone's put something in the wrong policy type. I hope this has been helpful.